Welcome to Tasty Malayali. Let's prepare an authentic, Kerala-style, Karimeen Fry with a rich, flavorful special masala. This recipe brings together bold spices, fresh coconut, and traditional Kerala ingredients to create a crispy, juicy, and aromatic fish fry. Every bite is packed with mouth-watering coastal flavors that make this dish truly unforgettable and perfect for any meal. Let's use Karimeen, also known as the pearl spot or green chromide, Kerala's iconic fish. It's cleaned, fresh, and ready to soak up our delicious masala. In a pan, pour 2 teaspoons of fragrant coconut oil, 1 teaspoon red chili powder for a bold, fiery, mouth-watering authentic Kerala flavor, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder for a rich, vibrant color, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, which adds vibrant color, earthy aroma. Add salt to taste. 1 teaspoon rice flour for a lightly crisp finish. Mix everything thoroughly until all the ingredients combine into a smooth, flavorful mixture. Add 1 teaspoon tamarind paste for a tangy Kerala twist. Blend everything into a smooth, rich, velvety masala paste. Now place the pan on the stove and heat it gently. Cook the masala for 1 minute, stirring continuously until the raw aroma disappears and the spices release their mouth-watering fragrance. Add 2 teaspoons crushed small onions. Add 2 crushed cloves of garlic, 1 sprigs of fresh curry leaves. Roast everything for 1 more minutes until fragrant and beautifully blended together. Now sprinkle 2 teaspoons of shredded coconut for a delicious authentic Kerala punch flavor. Gently arrange the Karimeen over the sizzling masala. Lovingly spoon some of the rich, spicy gravy over the fish, so every bite is packed with flavor. Close the pan and cook for 1 minute on low flame. Once done, carefully flip the fish, along with the rich masala, ensuring it stays intact and beautifully coated on both sides. Close again and cook for 1 more minute until the fish is perfectly coated and infused with the authentic Kerala spices. And there you have it, an authentic Kerala Karimeen fry bursting with juicy, spicy, and aromatic flavors. The rich coconut-infused masala beautifully coats every bite, making this dish truly irresistible. Serve it piping hot with steamed rice, a traditional Kerala meal, or soft appam for a delicious coastal feast that brings the taste of Kerala straight to your table. Authentic Kerala flavors on Tasty Malayali. Join us for more spicy, tasty recipes.